Hello and welcome in my YouTube channel Ristras Mathematical. Please, friends, today I am doing a problem which is asked in CSIR NET June 2016. Okay, and in this problem which is completely based on the class equation of a group. Okay, and this question asked in CSIR NET June 2016 and weightage is 4.75 marks. Part C question. Okay, now without wasting any time, let us go on the problem. What does this problem say? Which of the following cannot be the class equation of a group of order 10? Okay, which of the following from this cannot, please mark this point, cannot be the class equation of a group of order 10. This cannot play a major role. Okay, now there are four options. Is this class equation of a group of order 10? Is this a class equation of a group of order 10? Is this a class equation of a group of order 10? Or is this a class equation of a group of order 10? Okay, now before doing the problem, let me inform about the class equation, conjugate classes is conjugate elements. Okay, so let me tell about that. Suppose G is any group. Okay, suppose G is any group. G is any arbitrary group, but we restrict ourselves on a finite groups here. Okay, finite groups, we are talking about the finite groups because a group of order 10. Okay, whichever order but finite, we restrict ourselves on a finite. Suppose G is any group of some order finite number. Okay, whose order is some finite number. Okay, now for any two elements of G are conjugates each other if A can be expressed as X inverse Bx for every where A and B in G for every then A and for every AB there exists some element X in G such that A can be expressed in such a way. In other words, we can also say that B can be expressed in this way. Okay, this both are, and here A is conjugate to B, and this can be denoted as A conjugate to B. Why? Because this is the sign of the equivalence relation. So conjugate classes are equivalent each other. Okay, the relation defined is an equivalence relation that is reflexive, symmetric, as well as transitive. Okay, so the relation conjugate is a equivalence relation. Okay, so any two elements which are conjugate, they have an equivalence relation as well. So A is conjugate to B here, and A, B are the elements of group. Okay, so collection of all the conjugate elements of a group, okay, is called conjugate class of the A. If we are finding the, so suppose conjugate class A. Conjugate class contains all those elements of G, okay, which are conjugates to A. All those elements which are conjugates to A, that comes under the collection of all the elements of conjugate class A. Choose all elements of G which are conjugate to A. Okay, collection of these elements or the set of this element is called the class equation of A, or conjugate class of A. Okay, conjugate class of A. Similarly, if B is any element of G, we can also find the conjugate class of B. Similarly, each group has its conjugate class. Okay, if group is abelian, each element has its own conjugate class. Okay, if group is non-abelian, then any element of group may have conjugate class of order greater than 2, greater than or equal to 2. Okay, now let me tell about that. If this is a result, if G is abelian, then class equation of G is written or expressed as order of G is n, and that is 1 plus 1 up to n times. Okay, if G is abelian, then class equation of G is written as, okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n times, because each element is commute each other, and each element is a self conjugate. Okay, let me define about self conjugate element. Okay, any identity element of any group is always plays as a role of self conjugate. Okay, because identity elements remains commute with each element of group. Okay, so each group has at least one element which is self conjugate. Okay, that is identity.